California Senate Bills 326 and 721 established inspection requirements for exterior elevated elements on multifamily residential properties. This video provides a factual overview of what these laws require, who they apply to, and what the inspection process involves. These laws were enacted following a 2015 balcony collapse in Berkeley that resulted in multiple fatalities. The incident was attributed to water intrusion, causing wood deterioration in load-bearing structural components. SB 721 was signed into law in 2018 and applies to multifamily rental properties. SB 326 was signed into law in 2019 and applies to common interest developments, specifically condominiums managed by homeowners associations. Both laws focus on the same type of structures, but have different requirements, timelines, and applicable parties. SB 326 applies to condominium associations with 3 or more attached dwelling units. Properties must inspect exterior elevated elements that are 6 feet or more above ground level and supported substantially by wood or wood-based products. This includes balconies, decks, porches, stairways, walkways, and landings. Inspections must examine load-bearing components and associated waterproofing systems. Initial inspection deadline was January 1st, 2025. Subsequent inspections are required every 9 years after the initial inspection. Inspections must be performed by a licensed structural engineer, licensed architect, or licensed civil engineer. The inspection must cover a statistically significant sample to achieve 95% confidence that results are reflective of the whole, with a margin of error no greater than plus or minus 5%. Inspection reports must be incorporated into the association's reserve study and retained for at least 2 inspection cycles, which equals 18 years. SB 721 applies to buildings with 3 or more multifamily rental dwelling units. Properties must inspect exterior elevated elements 6 feet or more above ground, supported by wood. Initial inspection deadline was January 1st, 2026. Assembly Bill 2579 extended this deadline from the original January 1st, 2025 date. Subsequent inspections are required every 6 years after the initial inspection. Inspections may be performed by a licensed architect, licensed civil or structural engineer, or a building contractor holding an A, B, or C5 license with minimum 5 years experience in constructing multi-story wood frame buildings. The inspection must cover at least 15% of each type of exterior elevated element. Inspection reports must be retained for at least 2 inspection cycles, which equals 12 years. The inspection process is similar for both laws. Inspectors assess the physical condition of load-bearing components, waterproofing systems, structural integrity, and evidence of water intrusion. Visual assessments are standard. Inspectors may use invasive or destructive techniques, including moisture meters, infrared imaging, borescopes, or removal of surface materials to examine underlying structural components. The inspection report documents the condition of inspected elements, identifies any immediate safety hazards, provides findings on the remaining useful life of components, and includes recommendations. If an inspector identifies conditions posing an immediate threat to occupant safety, they must provide the report to the property owner or HOA and to local code enforcement within 15 days. Access to affected areas must be prevented. For conditions requiring repair that are not immediate safety threats, repairs must begin within 120 days. This includes obtaining necessary permits. For SB 326, subsequent inspections occur every 9 years. For SB 721, they occur every 6 years. The cycle continues for the life of the property. Exterior elevated elements include balconies, decks, walkways, stairways, and landings extending beyond exterior walls. Key factors: more than 6 feet above ground, designed for human use, and substantially supported by wood. LA Construction Consultants provides comprehensive compliance services for both SB 326 and SB 721 requirements. We perform thorough inspections using licensed structural engineers and architects. Right now, we're offering 15% off balcony and deck inspections for all new clients. We provide detailed reports that satisfy all legal documentation requirements. When repairs are needed, we handle the complete process, from obtaining permits to executing the work. When we complete repairs, we issue a new inspection report that guarantees your property will pass compliance. Contact LA Construction Consultants today at 424-946-8057 to schedule your inspection. Remember, we're currently offering 15% off all balcony and deck inspections. SB 326 and SB 721 establish ongoing inspection requirements. LA Construction Consultants provides complete compliance services. Call 424-946-8057 now to get started.